I hope you enjoy this free hypnosis session. If you would like this track on your mobile device, simply go to freehypnosis.app, download the free hypnosis app with myself, Joseph Clough, and that means you can have it and you can use it as you go to sleep. You can download it, you can stream it, so much easier. So go to freehypnosis.app and download it right now. Now, before we go into a deep trance, I want you to realize this, that whatever you're going through, whatever you're experiencing, you have the immense power to transform and transcend it all to a deep level of certainty, esteem, empowerment, and even love within you, the confidence in all that you desire, from the inside to the outside. So with that, go ahead and just relax and get yourself into a nice, comfortable position where you can just be present, where you can learn to change. That's it. Close your eyes and just breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Now, since we're going into trance, just consciously decide, what would you like to change? What would you like to experience now? And make that conscious decision that this would be a good thing to have and experience. That's it. So as you just relax, give yourself this opportunity to allow yourself to be present and become the person you desire. That's it. For this track is going to allow you to deeply relax so quickly, even within a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, or maybe somewhere in between. Because you can imagine your muscles relaxing, just softening with each breath out. You can relax the jaw. Just relax the jaw. Relax those hands and let go of the tension. Release the tension in the jaw, the hands, even the arms, from the wrists to the fingertips. Each muscle just softens as you begin to drift in thoughts, in feelings, and as you just be here, notice what you notice. There is no right way or wrong way, just your own subjective experience as you go into trance. You may hear other sounds or the sound of my voice as it goes with you into trance. And you can allow my voice, the things I say, to be absorbed if you feel like it would be a good thing. because this is your experience. Because we don't have to go too quickly. Just allow your unconscious mind to resolve and dissolve all worries, stresses, ever so gently, like a wave of relaxation going through each nerve, each cell, just relaxing. Because you can drift and dream. You can be aware of many, many things. Even as I count down from 10 to 0, you can do so with peace and even enjoyment as every muscle relaxes deeper with each number. So go down from 10 to 9. You may see it, or you may just listen, because your unconscious mind, while your conscious mind drifts here and there, your unconscious mind can do what's needed to be done to allow more peace and happiness. Down from 9, down to 8. Your unconscious mind can effortlessly be aware, listening while you remain relaxed and at peace. Because your unconscious mind can take charge for a while. It does many, many things for you, even falling asleep, learning and changing. Your unconscious mind knows, because it always does. And as you allow your potentiality with your unconscious mind, you can remember everything that needs to be remembered. But you can also allow your unconscious mind to assume that responsibility, drifting and dreaming, learning as you relax, and relaxing as you learn. That's right. Because your unconscious can be your greatest ally to live the freedom you desire and you deserve, with each muscle relaxing more deeply than before, but not as much as in a few moments and minutes, all the way down from 7 down to 6 into trance, as your unconscious mind drifts and dreams too. You can listen to me unconsciously while the conscious mind sleeps deeper and deeper and deeper, so relaxed. It's easier to just notice what needs to be noticed. There is nothing important for your conscious mind to do. There's nothing really important except the activities of your unconscious mind. And that can be as automatic, like dreaming, like learning. And as you relax the mind and body down to 5, you breathe more easily and freely. You can consciously continue to be at peace, to relax deeper drifting more and more with the feelings and sensations of ease in thought and also body. Your own mind is solving at your own pace and as easily and quickly as you are ready. You continue becoming more relaxed, more comfortable as you experience a deepening comfort down from 5, down to 4. Your own inner mind can respond automatically to realize how powerful you are, and being in this peaceful state, it enables you to experience the comfort so enjoyable, so pleasant, calm and peaceful, everything relaxing so naturally. And every time you listen to this, you can go deeper than before as you're developing your own process of learning to relax in a deep, powerful way. Relaxing more now, down from 4, down to 3, all the way down, feeling gently floating, drifting and dreaming into peacefulness, to enjoy the sensations of ease into your mind now. That's it. Your unconscious mind can know that you have the power to transform and transcend your experience into more peace. That's it. You, the unconscious mind, can begin to make changes to allow you to relax more deeply than before, more easily, because your unconscious mind can understand that there are things that you can change. The beliefs, behaviors, even feelings, they do not have to exist if they're negative. You can start a journey of change, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper down to 3 and 2. That's it. Relax all the way down to 1, all the way down through to 0, because you're becoming more confident and self-reliant, to have determination, the desire to change and achieve your goals, willing to do what it takes to find the solution you've been craving. You are fine in your dedication, your commitment, and your decision for self-certainty, internally and externally. Inner confidence can grow, because now the results you crave, the solutions are all around you, even within you. And as you do so, you can experience each day with more peace, more happiness, in achieving your desires, more enthusiastic to make the change, breathing new life, optimism, enthusiasm, as problems are challenges that you can overcome, and old inappropriate emotions and thoughts you can start to release and work upon, allowing you to experience more positive results each and every day. Your mind is calm. Your mind is relaxed, becoming more centered as you physically relax now, going deeper and deeper. Speaking to you, the unconscious mind, I'd like you to realize how valuable and important it is to let go of guilt. Guilt does not protect you emotionally and physically. It does not keep you safe. And you're here to keep the body safe. So you, the unconscious mind, can resolve the root cause of this guilt by preserving learnings. Learnings let go of emotions because they keep you safe. All your need to punish yourself will simply disappear. It will go so far away, further and further away, until it doesn't exist anymore. Now is the time to be free, free of guilt, to give yourself this opportunity to have that inner peace, to let go now. From now on, you will be free of guilt. You will be free of all guilt. With each and every day, it gets less and less as you begin to learn new ways of being. You will be at peace with yourself. You will realize the past is the past, and it's what we do now which is important. You can utilize that energy in creating a wonderful now and future. I want you, the unconscious mind, to find those learnings and acquire new resources. All guilt will disappear, and instead you will feel absolute peace as it disappears now, becoming less and less as you feel at ease. From now on, you will remain content, knowing you do your best, always learning and improving, and those learnings will keep you safe. They will allow you to remain in control and at peace. From now on, the guilt just disappears. It's no longer needed. Give it permission consciously, and you, the unconscious mind, will make it happen. Now is the time to get the crystal clear clarity as that weight disappears. You feel lighter and energized, ready to live life fully, in complete confidence, competence, inner contentment, to be the real you. Being guilty does not allow you to be the real you. Now is the time to let it go and actualize your potential. You are free of all guilt, completely free. You are at peace with yourself, content and fulfilled. All conflict resolves itself, integrates back into wholeness. You are free. Each and every day, you will feel lighter and at peace, truly experiencing happiness, knowing you've learned what you've needed to learn to be free now. That's it. Just relax, knowing your unconscious mind is making this change. Because in a moment, I am gonna count from 1 to 5. And on 5, you'll be wide awake, ready to take on the rest of the day, so you can enjoy it and feel so good in every way. So 1, every muscle becomes less and less relaxed. At 2, every fiber and every nerve becomes more and more alert as you breathe in through your nose, oxygenating your whole mind, body and soul. And then at 3, you imagine a nice cool cold shower freshening your hair, your head, your eyes, the back of the eyes. And at 4, just breathe in again, feeling so good, knowing that you are now making some great changes. And at 5, come all the way back into the room, all the way out of the trance, wide awake, knowing that you have so much power to make this change right now. You know what? I wish I understood the real issue to all my self-doubt. The inner critic, the imposter syndrome when I actually first started out. But to me, it was locked into how I was feeling. And that inner critic, I didn't even think it was even possible to change, let alone understand the real reason. But when you do, and then when you solve it once and for all, it's like you're firing on all cylinders. And you're so much more likely to achieve what you've always wanted to achieve in all your dreams, in all your goals, in your career, your business, your relationships, in every way. But it all starts with just that clarity about what's really happening beneath the conscious mind. Then you have to solve it immediately, to get out of that pain as soon as possible, to stop wasting any more time, because time never comes back. So you want to make sure that everything flows from that transformation. And if you need help getting clear on that, or even if you know about it, but you just don't know how to solve the hidden cause, then I want you to go to www.josephclough.info/go. I want you to book an appointment now to speak to us, because the first thing we're going to work on is we're going to discuss what is the impact that you're here to make. The goals you want to achieve, what's stopping you from achieving them quickly, and what you want to let go of that would transform your whole world. How much more could you receive in the mind and in your career, your business, your abundance, in your results once you've made that change? But it all flows from that essential clarity. And that's the real reason why we're able to get the most profound results for our clients and get them so fast, because it all lines up. It all fits together into that integrated success system that is designed and created the real transformations, helping you hit your career and business goals, helping you achieve success and that deep self-certainty. Create a real fun, amazing lifestyle along the way. So it all starts with booking that call. So go to www.josephclough.info/go and book an appointment and speak to us so we can get that all together. Because once you have that clarity, It's like it's so much more. It's like you can probably forget about doing the 95% of the stuff you've been doing in self-development. In other words, quitting the constant internal battle and lifting all the heaviness, all the self-sabotage that has been getting in your way. So go to josephclough.info/go and let's really get into this like your future success depends on it. Go all in, because if you don't have that clarity, that is one of the essential things that you're going to be missing. It's a waste of time and money doing all the other things, because you'll be going from one program to another, one coach to another, and it just never ever stops. It can be so much simpler that you can just get what you want, full speed, quickly and easily. And to do that, it can be so profound. It can be, well, it is life-changing. So go to josephclough.info/go, book an appointment now, and we'll speak to you soon. So you have the most wonderful day. Many thanks and goodbye.